D&D Davison here, liveweatherblogs.com. Here we're talking the overnight edition of liveweatherblogs.com. Taking a look at our surface map, we have it stalled out front. We'll be sitting across the mid-Atlantic states. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tomorrow afternoon ahead of this front. Out in Virginia, Roanoke Valley, south, we have thunderstorms likely. Some will be isolatedly severe. And then we have a triple point coming into this. It will shoot its way over, disturbance will shoot its way over into Minnesota. High probability of tornadic thunderstorms, high winds and hail in that area. As the nav's coming the other way, the jet stream, the low level jet kicking in from the south, and the jet stream overriding that. This is going to be the area that we're going to most likely see the highest probability of tornadic thunderstorms. And tomorrow's risk, there's a moderate risk area in this 45 percentile. I said with the tornadic probabilities being highest up here in Minnesota, Minneapolis, Minnesota, down to maybe Des Moines, Iowa. Best area to see the probability of tornadoes. Also an area of high winds and hail with isolated tornadoes possible over here in New York, Pennsylvania, Vermont. As that disturbance kicks out and the front pushes east and we get the jet stream. The biggest difference here is you're going to have that moist air and that low level jet coming in the air to cause the possible tornadic development tomorrow. And it looks more less like it'll be a severe weather outbreak in that area. Taking a look at our instability, we have some high instability, like you can see. The high instability about our 18 hours, mostly up here in the area of Minnesota. Also, the -6 area. That's going to be sitting right near Roanoke Valley, so that's going to be giving that uplift possibilities when we get that front hitting it for the possibility of thunderstorms to lift tomorrow. And this you're going to see the upper levels when you can see how it shoots in here. You get the strong northwesterlies. Then you have right in this area of Minnesota, you can see how it changed direction to southwest real close there. This is going to give you some turbulent spinning of the winds with height, and you also can see there's an area of pretty strong winds coming in from the west here in New York State. And when we take a look at the surface wind profiles, you see how that sets up. You see the northwest and you get southerly winds. With the wind going over top of it with the jet stream, you're going to have lots of changing with winds and height in this location, and that's going to cause the probability of tornadoes to be pretty high tomorrow. Pretty high dew points also in the area. You can see also dew points here in the Roanoke Valley, pretty good, and also this shoots ahead in New York. So like I said, with that jet stream pushing across here, high winds, hail, and tornadoes are possible in really two areas, and the majority of it is going to be back here in Minnesota. Really high dew points, really high moisture content sitting here in Illinois. And I said that could shoot higher north in this. This is a computer monitor profile. So I would say, this could go, and that's an 80 degree, almost 80 degree dew point. And here's a look at the map that goes along with the profiles that I've been showing you. There's triple point, your warm front, your cold front, and this other secondary. This will be an occluded front. You see there? This is going to be the prime area for tornadic development. You also have a shortwave trough that's going to kick off thunderstorms in this model showing in the Roanoke Valley in North Carolina. So this is how you can see where these thunderstorm probabilities get higher and how this is going to be an issue with tornadoes. Taking a look at satellite, here's where jet stream is, and this disturbed weather, that's what's going to shoot down here into there, and this disturbance also from the west, they're going to combine in that area. Just want to show you where all this energy is coming from and how we're going to have our setup tomorrow. And two areas of disturbed weather. We get showers, a lot of shower thunderstorm development here in the area of the Yucatan Peninsula. Here's Cancun, Cozumel, Cancun, that area, great vacation area. But showers and thunderstorms will keep developing in this low pressure. It's not surface based yet, and also this upper levels could also lower down into the mid levels. Not quite surface either, but these are the two areas that are most probable for development, even though it's a low probability for development. One thing I do like utilizing is this GFS model. This is going through a loop. You can see where the heat is here in the southwest. Also, you can see how this Bermuda high filters hot air in about day 5, 6, 7, 8 into the Midwest, and you can see how you get these disturbances coming up near the Canadian border. What this will allow is the probability, first, of severe weather to be mainly concentrated up here in the northern tier of the country, and a lot of heat in Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. So a good heat wave is probably going to start middle of next week. And like I said, we're going to the temperatures here momentarily for the Roanoke Valley. And taking a look at the National Weather Service forecast tonight: patchy fog, 73 degrees, 87 tomorrow. Thunderstorms likely with that trough that's going to be kicking into the area you seen on the surface map earlier in the forecast map. Showers and thunderstorms likely tomorrow night, also 71, 90. Starts the heat wave on Sunday. Slight chance of thunderstorm, 92 on Monday, 92 on Tuesday, and looking beyond that, we're talking 93 on Wednesday, 96 on Thursday. So we're going to be heating up, like I showed you on that map. We're definitely going to be getting to a heat wave here in the Roanoke Valley, so make sure you be keeping track of that next week, and make sure you keep yourself very well hydrated, as we're going to be heading into a heat wave here in the Roanoke Valley. This is Dean D. Davison for the Live Weather Blogs Overnight Edition. Have a great evening and morning, and I'll see y'all later.